students, myself Reena, and today I am here with very interesting topic, that is Scratch. In this chapter we will learn about how to do programming in the Scratch and basics of Scratch. Okay, so let's start.
Scratch. What is Scratch? Scratch is a free programming language developed by MIT that makes it easy to create interactive stories, animations, games, music, and arts and share your creations on the web. That means Scratch is a free programming language which is developed by the MIT and it is used to create games and use animations, music and different art activities, and you can use this activity over the web. Scratch can run from within a modern web browser. You can use Google Chrome for this and also can use the apps, Scratch apps, to use it on the smartphones. So before starting the topic more on the Scratch, I feel we should know about the history. Scratch began development in the 2003 and was released to the public in 2007. Actually, currently we are working on 3.0, which was released in 2019. But before that, we have versions, that is Scratch 1.0 and the first version, which is similar to the Scratch 1.4. At that time, we have only offline editor and it was used as a small blog. Okay, and in this series we had Scratch 1.1, Scratch 1.2, Scratch 1.3 and Scratch 1.4. Next, Scratch 2.0 was released in 2013 and the website and the user interface that is changed. Scratch continued to grow and achieving 30 million user and project. Scratch 3.0 as we are using currently. Okay, so because of the large expansion of the Scratch community, Scratch Foundation has expanded and it has led the design. So currently we are using the Scratch 2.0 because it is widely used and liked by the peoples. Okay, so this is the user interface of the Scratch, and so we will start with the first topic, that is component of the Scratch window. Component of the Scratch window is actually first is your menu bar. Menu bar in this, it is the topmost bar of the Scratch window. It includes the option to save, open. It includes the save, open and edit a project. You can save the project, you can edit the project and you can open any existing project. Next is sprite. Sprite is what? Sprite is by default it is cat and you can use many sprites. You can select it from the library. Okay, so sprite is a small geographical character that performs action in a project. It can be of any type, any shape, any color and any size. It provides inbuilt sprites. Okay, so this one is cat and cat, it is the default sprite in the Scratch. So next component is stage. Stage is placed on the stage to perform the actions. Okay, so it is the area, actually this one is your stage. It is the area where a sprite moves when you run a project. Okay, it is divided into the XY coordinators and these coordinators denote the position of a sprite on the stage. Whenever whatever the activity we want to do with the sprite, that will be visible in the stage area. Okay, next is your code blocks. Code blocks is what? Code blocks is this one, where you can do coding. This is your code block. Okay, so in the code block, blocks are puzzles. What is block? blocks are puzzles. P is used to create the project. It contains the set of blocks that are used to program a sprite. Okay, so we use these blocks to create the coding. To use the blocks, by using the blocks, we can do coding in the Scratch. Next is your script. What is script? Script is creating by joining the blocks of either same or the different categories. So this is your this one. This is your script area actually, and in this whatever you use and combine the join the blocks, this is your script. Okay, it is used to program a sprite. It should have at least two blocks. We need to use minimum two blocks for programming. Okay, so next is script area. As I have told, this one is your script area in which you can do coding, where you can drag the blocks and drop in the script area. These blocks you can drag it directly here in the script area to create a script. Script can also called a program. Actually, program is set of instructions, as Scratch is a block based programming. So here a script can also be used as a program. Okay, so next very important component is add extension. In actually Scratch 3.0, there is a new feature, that is add extension. You can add extension of other blocks. That means you can add program characters to speak in other language. With the Google Translate extensions, we can add extra features in it. Okay, so you can even program characters to respond to your body movements. We have multiple extensions. We will discuss it one by one. Okay,